Miriam's getting ready to jump off the diving board. Here she goes, climbing up. Good job, Miriam.
Nice job. You gonna try it again? Hey.
Can you jump, kiddo? Good job, baby. Come right here. Come right here. Nice job, Miriam.
There you go. Hop on now, Sid. You got it?
You did awesome.
Good job, sweetie. All right, go ahead, Sophia.
Mommy made a video for you.
I was going to